Cora. I have a lot of work recently, so I can't take Ella to school. Can you take Ella to school?
Okay, Evie. Evie is always busy. She's so strong. Ella. Last time you dared to fart on my car. This time, I will make you pay that. Hello? That's right. It's me. What? Is David hospitalized? I got it. I will go to the hospital immediately. David, are you okay?
Cora. I'm just a little tired. So I fainted.
Mrs. Cora. Mr. David is overworked. He is tired. Therefore, he must stay here for 3 days.
What do you say?
Don't worry. This is his time to rest. You can bring him food.
Cora. I'm sorry. I made you worry.
David, you are my husband. I always care about you. Don't worry. I will bring food to you.
Thank you, Cora.
Cora snores.
Last night, I couldn't sleep. I'm so worried about David. I will visit him. But I'm so sleepy. I need to take Ella to school.
Cora. What's wrong with you? You don't look well.
I'm fine. Get in the car, Ella.
This morning, I ate a double burger. Now I want to fart. Cora will be angry no matter what. Her angry face is so funny. Why isn't Cora reacting? What's that sound? It sounds like snoring. Oh my God! Snoring sound? Is Cora sleeping? This time is similar that time. Mom fell asleep while driving. Cora, wake up! Last time, I woke my mom up by farting. But it seems farting doesn't work for Cora. I will try again. Still can't. Cora, wake up. What should I do? I remember. Cora is very afraid of the house burning down. That time, I shouted that the house was on fire. At that time, Cora ran out in panic. If so, the house is on fire! The house is on fire! Just run away!
What? Where is the house fire?
Cora, you are awake.
Ella! So what?
You fell asleep. I can't wake you up. So I used this method.
What? Really?
Hey, Cora. Be careful. Oh my God.
Mrs. Cora. You crashed into a tree. You need to be more careful.
Mr. John. I think you should drive me to school.
I got it.
Tomorrow, there will be a meeting with parents. Remember to tell your parents to go to the meeting.
What did you say? Is there a parent meeting tomorrow?
That's right, Mom. Tomorrow, I have a meeting. This is an important meeting.
I can't go.
But
I'll ask Cora. She will go on my behalf.
Cora,
That's right. Teacher Ken knows Cora. It will be fine.
but
Ella, hurry up and take a shower. I go to see Cora. When I come back, we will have dinner.
yes, Mom. Maybe Cora is just sleepy today. Tomorrow will be fine, right? Luckily, Cora isn't sleepy this morning. If so, that's good.
According to the plan, next month, students will Whose snoring is that?
Cora, Cora. Please wake up. Sorry, Teacher Ken. It's Cora's snore.
Ella. Why is Cora sleeping?
Your room is too noisy. What is going on?
You are.
I'm Emmy. Emma's mother. Your room is too noisy. Is she the fat woman from last time? Even though she lost weight, Her attitude is really poor. Hey! You have to wake up.
The more you call, the louder she snores.
Oh my God! Her snoring sounds like a cannon. I can't stand it. I have to leave here.
Mr. Ken, what happened?
Mr. Randy.
Why is there snoring? What? The ground is shaking. Oh my God. Don't say that. There's going to be an earthquake. I have to run away from here. The meeting's ended. Quickly leave here.
Mr. Randy. I will go home too.
What? Everyone left here. Cora. You are awake.
I'm sorry. I'm so sleepy.
Cora. Couldn't you sleep last night?
David is hospitalized. I have to take care of him.
So I understand.
Where's everybody?
If I tell everyone to run away, because of Cora's snoring, she won't believe it.
Cora. To thank you, I want to invite you to a restaurant.
But I have to go to the hospital. I need to visit David.
It won't take much of your time.
Okay. After eating, I'll go visit David. Evie, let me drive. Last time, you drove too slow.
Mom. Why let Cora drive?
What is the matter?
I'm just afraid.
Cora. You drive better than me.
Mom, Cora.
What? Cora, wake up!
If Cora sleeps, it will be difficult for her to wake up.
What are you saying?
Last time, Cora was the same. The house is on fire. The house is on fire. Cora, wake up quickly. It's dangerous. This method has been ineffective. Cora is not awake. What should we do?
Ella, Why didn't you tell me sooner?
I thought nothing would happen.
Ella! Stop farting in the car!
Even the fart can't work. I remember. Lucas woke up his dad with smelly socks. Mom, take off your socks.
What did you say?
You wear all day. It will stink. Maybe Cora will wake up.
Hey, I don't have smelly feet.
Oh my God! What's that smell?
Cora, you are awake. Be careful. There is a cow ahead.
Luckily, I avoided it in time. Ella, what did you give me? The smell is unbearable.
Those are my mom's socks.
Evie's socks? It's awful.
After that time, I didn't dare ask Cora to take Ella to school. And Cora didn't want to see me. She's scared because of the smell of my socks. Until 2 to 3 weeks later, that we talked normally again. Everything is back to the way it was. What sounds like an earthquake?
Mom, that is Cora snoring.
Really?
Looks like she hasn't woken up yet.
It's scary.
Emma's mother, compared Cora's snoring sound to A. Dinosaurs, B. Cannon, C. Gunfire, D. Earthquake. If you like my channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos about my stories. Thank you very much.